All right, I'm going to try to make this a very quick video for review before you start learning how to object-oriented code in JavaScript, which is a weird thing in itself. So get yourselves over to your Atom and remember this is like from before our spring break. Go to week 1 and right click on duplicate, and we're going to make a week 11 folder because it's week 11 now. Okay, so week 11, go to your week 11 folder and let's rename, let's duplicate empty example and call it review. Okay, so go on to review. Let's take a look at Sketch. Remember all this crazy stuff? Let's move me over here. Okay, remember function setup runs once, function draw loops. Okay, so if I ask you guys, do you remember how to make a rectangle? Hopefully you can do that. Pause it now and see if you can do it. Rectangle. Okay, good. Did you make a rectangle like this? Rect 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, and then remember also we usually have a create canvas command in here, and let's put it let's make it at 100. Now we'll make it, for 500, 500. That's a good one for this. Okay, remember how to do that? Good. Do you remember how to make the rectangle go across the screen and loop? Remember how to do that? Pause it, see if you can do that. I hope you can. All right, I hope you could do that. The way to do that would have been to put a variable at the top here, var x, and then instead of the x position here for the rectangle, right, you put x there, and then you got to do x plus plus. That means x equals x plus 1, or how about x equals x plus 10? We'll make it go real fast, right? And then when it got past the end of the screen, we want it to start at 0 again. So that was if x is greater than width, then we will put curly brackets there and we do x equals 0. That means once you go past the width, make x equals 0 again. Okay, let's make sure that this works. In order to make sure that this works, we will right click on index and open in browser, because that'll work fine for you. And oh, what's going on? It's writing on top of itself. So what did we have to do to make sure that that didn't happen? We needed to add background command. Background, we'll make it red for the coronavirus. Red there. Okay. And now we should have an animated rectangle going across the screen. Okay. So back to this. That's, oh, I forgot. I probably can't do that. Maybe that works in Zoom. Didn't work in QuickTime. Okay. So if I told you, let's not just make a rectangle, let's make like a kind of a cute little car or something, like a rectangle with 2 wheels on it. You can put an ellipse, because that's how to make a circle, and the 10, 10, 10, right? Okay. So instead of putting it, this is its Y location, right? We'll put it down a little bit, right? So we'll put it, maybe make this like at 18 or something. Let's see how that looks now. So I can just click on this, and then I can kind of see I may have to slow this down a little bit. I'll do x equals x plus 1 here. Okay, let's take a look. So there's kind of like there's a little circle attached to that car. And if I wanted to make another circle to the right of it, I could just, like 2 wheels, I can do this. And most of you guys have already done this. So to make this one forward a little bit, I can do x plus 10 or something like that. Right? I can make this one actually x minus 5, and I'll make this one x plus 5. Let's see how that looks. So I'm just kind of messing around with it, but there, it's kind of like looks like a tractor. Okay, and this is because I don't have rect mode and ellipse mode center. So if I made those both, rect mode center and ellipse mode center, everything will be drawing from its center, and I'll have what I expect to have. Kind of looks like a penis. All right, here you have it. Get ready for the next part of this sequence of videos. The next part will be starting object-oriented coding. Yay.